so painful. We did the best on trying to get rid of most variables as possible. Batteries were new 4 amp hours charged. Each one got that. Each one was sharpened by the same machine. And we did our best on switching things up so we can base everything on time. And you'll see the results at the end.
Set, go.
Whew, definitely the wood is an issue.
I think there's a, I don't know.
Oh, there's a knot. Let's try and get past the knot. But that piece was so much heavier, even though it's like a foot shorter.
3, 2, 1, go.
This one does cut smooth and nice. I notice a difference in the ergonomics of it.
Yeah.
But man, that wood really throws off this whole thing. You can just feel in the weight.
Yeah.
Did you already pick
Yeah,
up?
I can tell this one is pretty light, and that one.
I mean, it's hard one. Go.
A really tough log.
It's just a tough log. Just by
I can tell this one feels better.
It feels better, and it looked a little faster.
It did feel a little bit faster.
Same.
Yeah, I felt it on that one too, but then when I used this saw, it went right through that.
All right, we'll see. Well, you can easily see once we cut it, see if it's the same. I'll try and cut close.
Gonna do another one?
Yeah.
It seems like the older one bogs down easier.
Even though we're using the exact same batteries, which I'm glad you had both of the high amp, this one just bogs down.
Yeah.
You're right.
Like, you have to try.
They did improve it.
You have to try to make that one bog down.
I almost want to try. Okay. Okay.
Well, if you really try.
Man, I tell you what, this old one, you try and do that, it wouldn't even get that far. Let me. Oh, look at that! You can't do it.
Interestingly, though, it seems like that one stayed going more at the lower speed.
Yeah.
It seems like that one has more torque whenever it's getting bogged down, versus this one, when it was getting bogged down, it was almost completely stopping.
And even though we've done about the same amount of cutting, this battery's a little bit lower because of that last draw.
Oh yeah.
This one was able to take it. But usually the battery also has the management system to turn it off. Yeah, I like the newer one so much. I like that. It feels better and it's way smoother.
And just for fun, here we go.
So painful. It's making good chips, like the blade is decently sharp, but and time.